Welcome to Know the Facts, Get the Vax, a series by Africa Check to help you evaluate COVID-19, health claims, quacks and cures. The COVID-19 vaccine saves lives. It's the best way to protect yourself, your family and your community. In this series, you will learn more about COVID-19 and the different vaccines available, how they were developed and how they work, and how to understand and use important healthcare information. In this episode, we'll discuss what health misinformation is, why people spread it, and why some people believe it. Through the COVID-19 pandemic, we've seen an avalanche of health misinformation on social platforms. Whether it's home remedies, unsubstantiated do's and don'ts, or flat-out conspiracy theories, we've seen them all. Whilst it may seem harmless at first, this type of misinformation causes panic and could negatively impact people and their lives. So what is health misinformation? Health misinformation is any health-related information that is shared as if it was factual and true, without it being supported by scientific research and understanding. This includes any false content that is intentionally, unconsciously, or mistakenly circulated. When we hear stories of people who are drinking surface cleaner to cure COVID-19 or breathing citrus steam rather than wearing a mask, it may be hard to understand why anyone will actually believe the health misinformation they have read. The reality is that most people are scared and are looking for ways to keep themselves and their loved ones safe. Scientific information and government health warnings can be complicated and difficult to understand, and some people may feel unsure about who to trust. The COVID-19 pandemic happened so quickly that our lives were changed overnight, leaving us all wary and unsure of what was going on. These are all reasons why someone may receive a piece of misinformation and accept it as if it was true and without questioning it, especially when it's being made to look legitimate and real. That's a wrap on this episode about health misinformation. We hope you've had a better idea of what it is, why people spread it, and why people believe it. Share these tips with your friends and family and tune into the next episode of Know the Facts, Get the Vax, in which we'll be talking about bias in reporting on COVID-19 and COVID-19 vaccines.